Hello, my dear friends. Hope you all are good. Welcome to this session, another episode of Love by RCs. क्या लेके आई हूँ मैं आज आपके लिए? पहले ये देख लो, ये सारे जो instructions हैं आपके. You need to handle your RC smartly. And today's RC is on science communication and visual media. So this comes under science and sociology genre. Remember what I told you, there will always be an overlap. It cannot be absolute science or absolute sociology. So ये दोनों का है. साइंस कम्युनिकेशन विजुअल मीडिया क्या कह रहा है पैसेज एंगल वो भी हम देख लेंगे. ठीक है, चलिए. हो ये तो काफी बड़ा लग रहा है इसका सेकंड पैराग्राफ, बट देन नो नीड टू वरी. इससे और गंदे गंदे पैसेजेस हमने हैंडल किए, लाइक दोज ऑफ यू हु हैड done the previous passage with me would know what I mean. That was something on villainy, perception of villainy or something. वो तो बहुत ही difficult था. I mean, something very tricky. But then with a little bit of smart reading, we can handle our passages. सबसे पहला step क्या है भाई? We try to see what it is about. Numerous instances, graphic novels, scientists, illustrators, क्या बकवास कर रहा है? अच्छा, performed fundamental role, science instruction. Something to do with science, okay, graphic novels illustrate, okay, something about novels and illustrations and graphic novel page. And then, okay, graphic novel. Oh, got it. So the topic the topic of the passage is graphic novel, connected with science somehow. Now, questions, sneak peek. Each of the following can be inferred except that they graphic novels. अरे समझ में आ गया भाई, आप ही की बात चल रही है. Graphic novels, right? So each inferred true, 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 false. Next one. A non-linear progression in the arrangement of science graphic novels is beneficial primarily because. क्या कहना चाह रहा है ये? अजीबो गरीब सा लग रहा है क्वेश्चन. डिकोड करो ना. समझाया तो मैंने, बताया तो है इतना. You have to be able to decode your question. Okay. A non-linear progression in the arrangement of science. This कुछ नहीं भाई, graphic novels तो hero है. And then you're talking about non-linear progression in some paragraph. It is beneficial. Why? Just go to this zone where it talks about non-linear progression. So this is specific and inference. Infer करना है ना, क्या है उसका benefit? Next. So you know what? I would like to start with this. Next. Which one of the following best describes what the passage is trying to do? Examine, investigate, identifying, emphasizes. So this is primary purpose. I would like to do this second. Main idea, primary purpose तो बहुत ही प्यारे questions होते हैं. More often than not, you will get it correct. Fourth one. Which one of the following is a valid inference from the passage? True. F. मजे की बात यहाँ पे ये है कि this question has 3F and this question has 3T. I would like to do this first because then there's a chance of locating 3 traps in 3 options. Makes my work easy. So इसको third number पे करेंगे and then last में वो. अभी चलिए चल के passage देखते हैं बकवास क्या कर रहा है. पढ़ना start करो आप, मैं 2 घूंट पानी के पी लूं. All right. Now, currently there are numerous instances of science graphic novels. What are science graphic novels? कुछ तो आगे बोला ही होगा ना. Illustrated by scientists turned illustrators. वैसे scientists जो बाद में illustrators बन गए. Artists enthusiastic about science. Okay. Or unique partnerships between the two, something. The production of science graphic novels is motivated by inspirations, okay, generates, okay, varied outcomes. Diverse outcomes देता है, different inspirations हैं. Rather than attempting a thorough examination of graphic science, it may be more beneficial to investigate why these are becoming a widespread medium for science का फैलाना, dissemination, distribution of knowledge. ये है. After the first para, ask yourself क्या कह रहा है ये. Pause for 10-15 seconds and sum it up. Something to do with science graphic novels. Graphic. Science novels that have illustrations. Okay. So, scientists, illustrators, people who were enthusiastic about science. Okay. Or partnership between the two. या तो वो illustrators scientist तो नहीं बन सकते. Scientists जो illustrators बन गए types. Yep, unique partnership. And then he says, rather than attempting an examination of something, it's beneficial to investigate why they are becoming so widespread for dissemination of science. अगला पैराग्राफ में क्या करेगा? He is going to check the benefits and he is going to find out why people are accepting. There is a question connected with that ना, benefits कुछ ऐसा, all are benefits या beneficial कुछ ऐसा. Okay, visualizations have consistently performed a fundamental role. Visualizations कहते हैं ना, picture is worth 1,000 words. कई बार लोगों को जो auditory से ज्यादा visual impact करता है. Indeed, multiple investigations demonstrated, okay, now I can skim. Charts, diagrams, substantially enhance. अच्छा, समझने में वही तो बात है. They can enhance comprehension. Something graphic, okay. अब मैं skimming कैसे कर रही हूँ, ध्यान से देखना. Vertical reading, although initial observation, okay, something graphic, novels, engineering, drawing are not merely pictures, okay, fundamentally form, dimension, अच्छा. Okay, पूरे में उसका कुछ ना कुछ benefit. Now here to here last 2 lines, big para है, last 2 lines तो पढ़ूंगी ही. For this purpose, many graphic novel researchers have concentrated on the transitions between frames and all, weaving, something, caliber, कोई खास important नहीं है. कैसे पता चलेगा आपको कि important है कि नहीं है? भाई प्रैक्टिस से पता चलेगा. मेरे साथ ज्यादा से ज्यादा सेशंस में बैठोगे तो पता चलेगा कि ये ठीक है, कोई ऐसा वो नहीं उसी का कुछ बोल रहा है. कंक्लूजन होता कुछ वहां पर ना, इट वुड हैव बीन इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आई वुड हैव काइंड ऑफ नोटेड इट कि अच्छा यहाँ पे आना है हमें. ठीक है, अभी चलिए नेक्स्ट. In brief, the authentic, acha, वही same points, whatever he said, now he's going to say in other words or in brief. The authentic strength of this is not to illustrate. Important. इसको छोड़ दो. Provide structure to our reasoning, decomposing this. यहाँ तो भाई question stem है, question pocket है ये. Why? Because he's saying the authentic strength is not this, but this, commas. There will be a question and the question setter will give you some rephrased version of this. At one extreme, this presentation linear, okay, now I'm not reading much, illustrators, these innovative could be ha. Nice point. ये समझना है आपको मेरे साथ बैठ के like sessions attend करके, which points are important. Could be especially beneficial when it pertains to science or this, acha, okay, demands us to, okay, fine. Some of these notions challenging, okay, gracefully encapsulated. समझ में आ गया वही benefits and like, especially beneficial कब and not to provide this but to do this. Right? Go to the last 4 lines. Behind the misleadingly straightforward appearance, a meticulously designed graphic novel can merge the finest of both approaches. So the author's tone towards this is positive. Okay, the condensation of a diagram with the progression of quality narrative. Condensation of a diagram, bringing the entire text, condensing it into a diagram. With the progression of quality narrative, something is written also, right? And that text combines with this. Indeed, as disclosed by the cognitive researcher, this, despite the visual format, graphic novels are structured and interpreted like a language. Visual hai, but then they are interpreted differently by different people. Similar to written language, their purpose is not to depict, but to communicate compelling narratives, to kind of communicate, to convince, to persuade, to kind of move people, to disseminate knowledge, aisa. Not very difficult, I feel. है क्या पैसेज में? पूरे में तो बस यही है, पूरा पैराग्राफ अबाउट द बेनिफिट्स, चिल्ड्रंस बुक्स, इंजीनियरिंग, ड्राइंग, ग्रॉथ, गैलम, एलन मोर, somebody, एंड देन यहाँ तो आपने देखा क्या है. क्वेश्चंस पे तो चलो, कैसे हैंडल करेंगे देन आई विल टीच यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मैंने क्या बोला था, कौन सा, इसको करेंगे पहले, ठीक है. A non-linear progression in the arrangement of science graphic novels is beneficial primarily because, so भाई non-linear पे जाना है, ठीक है. Arrangement of this, चलिए पहले तो ढूंढ लेते हैं non-linear किधर है. Probably here, linear, something non-linear, right? Should be here. Confirms to a linear, okay. ठीक है, challenging this, okay, fine. यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. Authentic strength is not to illustrate, decomposing information, reconsidering them, okay. At one extreme, this presentation can be a linear progression. Linear, simple, right? Similar to a film, standard grid, but more frequently, illustrators have experimented with this arrangement, producing progressions that would be unfeasible to convert into text. Right? So ये बोला है इसने, illustrators have experimented with this arrangement, producing progressions. Non-linear में, that is the problem. It cannot be converted into text. These innovative arrangements could be especially beneficial when it pertains to science, data visualizations, okay, fine. Because science seldom follows linear progression. Finished, यही है. अब आप अगर ढूंढोगे non-linear लिखा हुआ, it's not necessary that you will get it there. Done? Clear? इतना पढ़ के ऑप्शंस पे चल लो. So, a non-linear progression in the arrangement of this is beneficial because what? Non-linear. It allows science to something, you know, come up with something, कुछ ऐसा. And linear is very simple progression ऐसा types. It helps in the better conceptualization of multiple hypotheses. Multiple, not given. It aids in transmitting concepts that are challenging to visualize. Transmitting concepts challenging to visualize. Okay, I'll keep this. थोड़ा confusing लग रहा है. It allows moving away from a linear depiction of notions. Okay, so allows moving away. Linear depiction of notions बोले तो something that is linear and then you kind of move away and allow science to kind of use this. अभी देखते हैं इसको. It can transmit multiple pieces of information in a confined area. Nothing of that sort. Right? Multiple pieces, confined, limited area, no. I'll go back now. What does it say? This presentation can be linear, but more frequently illustrators have experimented with this arrangement. Experiment करके कुछ change किया है. Producing progressions that would be unfeasible to convert into text. Correct? So they have produced such progressions that it would not be very simple to convert that into text. These innovative arrangements could be beneficial when it pertains to science or data visualizations, because this science does not follow linear. So these non-linear ones allow science to use these because they allow science to move away from the linear. मतलब not even move away. Since these non-linear move away from linear, science can make the most of this because science तो follow करता ही नहीं है linear. इतना ही समझना है, right? So I go back to this. It aids in transmitting concepts that are challenging to visualize. No. It allows moving away from a linear depiction of notions. इसको और complicated बना सकता, मतलब और difficult बना सकता था by giving you it allows moving away from a linear depiction of notions which facilitate science or something. So this is good. Okay. Then, which of the following, ये हमें 2 करना था, right? Which of the following best describes what the passage is trying to do? Primary purpose. Primary purpose बोले तो you take the main idea and you take the first line of every para. अभी तो आपको वैसे ही समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्या कहना चाह रहा है ये. Examining graphic science as a crucial instrument for science dissemination. I'll keep this. Investigating the advantages of science graphic novels in establishing multiple concepts. Only advantages. Investigating the advantages in establishing multiple concepts. ये multiple concepts का लोचा है थोड़ा, फिर भी देखते हैं चलो. Identifying the connections between cognition and condensation. This is safely eliminated because this is narrow. What do I call narrow? Something that is present in one paragraph. It may be there, of course, mentioned, but then that is not the main idea. That is narrow. Broad कैसा होता पता? अगर एक option देती मैं. Science graphic, the future of tomorrow. साइंस ग्राफिक से रिलेटेड तो बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. What exactly? So science graphic novels, scientific ideas and scientific progression, dissemination, ये सबसे related है, right? So ये तो definitely out है. I'll go back and I'll try to check now. Main idea क्या है? Widespread medium for science dissemination. Investigate why these are becoming such a widespread medium. Correct? First line. Consistently performed fundamental role in science instruction and dissemination. Investigations have demonstrated, okay, done. Then, in brief, the authentic strength of graphic novels is not to do this, but provide structure to our reasoning, decomposing information, this, okay. Behind the misleadingly straightforward appearance, graphic novel, merge this, condensation, progression, indeed, okay. Graphic novels are structured and interpreted very much like a language, and this, also to communicate compelling narratives. So it is connected with science. I mean, it is kind of, to give structure to science, to disseminate knowledge, कुछ इस तरह से. So this one, एक eliminate हुआ है, 3 अभी बचे हैं. Examining graphic science as a crucial instrument for science dissemination. The passage is trying to examine graphic science as an instrument for this. This is given there. I'll keep this for sure. Investigating the advantages of this in establishing multiple concepts? No. You can talk about dissemination of knowledge or dissemination of science, or you can talk about structure or something, जैसा बोला है जगह जगह पे. Emphasizing the capacity of science graphic novels in the visualization of scientific notions. Visualization, why not? I'll show you here. Investigations, this. Substantially enhance comprehension. Skillfully crafted visualization. This is what he's trying to do. He's trying to show how visualization is achieved by way of this science graphic novels का. ठीक है? So अब यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा difference है दोनों में. If you look at one, it says examining graphic science. No, it's about science graphic novels. पहले तो वो चीज आपको समझना है. उस बेसिस पे अगर आप eliminate करना चाहे, तो you will be left with 2 and 4. Science graphic novels, science graphic novels. यहाँ है science graphic novels, but connections between this too narrow, I told you. So you're left with 2 and 4. Between 2 and 4, obviously visualization. Try to go back and check, and this is like much better. Multiple concepts से बेहतर ये है. ठीक है? So this is your answer. I showed you second para का first 2 lines से कैसे निकला. Okay, done. Question number जो भी है ये 4 हम third कर रहे हैं. Valid inference. Now, graphic novels enhance comprehension and engagement. ये तो बहुत ही clearly बोला है. Right? इसको क्या ही check करें. Scientific visualizations are founded on the visualizations in graphic novels. Founded वाला point दिया है. Right? Visualizations in this is true. All listed here. 4th पढ़ के देख लेते हैं. A skillfully constructed graphic novel may blend diagrams and quality narrative. Okay, आप चल के यहाँ देखो. करना क्या है इसमें? Diagrams and quality narrative को pick करो. It's given in the last para. ये देख लो आप. Behind the misleadingly straightforward appearance, a meticulously designed graphic novel can merge the finest of both approaches. Right? It can merge the finest of both the approaches. Condensation of a diagram with the progression of quality narrative. Right? Behind the misleadingly straightforward. People generally think that it's like, kind of a very straightforward thing. Now he says a meticulously designed graphic novel can merge the finest of both. Diagram ka condensation and progression of this. Okay. I take you back to this. Here. A skillfully constructed graphic novel, meticulously, उसी से connect किया है, right? May blend diagrams and quality narrative, right? Blend है या blend is a trap. You can go back again. Diagrams तो है, quality narrative है, right? Okay. यहाँ बोला है it, okay, can merge the finest of both approaches. Can bola, yes, this is correct according to this, right? So all of the options listed above, this is good, right? True. The last one, this 3 true, 1 false. Now each of the following can, okay, accept. Have images arranged except that they have images arranged in a specific order for the purpose of narrative. भाई ये तो true ही होता है ना. Specific order बोला है, like, meticulously arranged and all. have progressions in some cases that are challenging to comprehend, have less in common with children's books than engineering drawings, have utility beyond their capacity to transmit an idea through pictures. Okay, have utility beyond their capacity. This is true from where? I'll tell you. Misleadingly straightforward appearance, meticulously this can merge this. So just beyond this, utility of transmitting an idea through pictures, they have more utility. So this is true. I'm left with 2 and 3. What are we going to do here? We are simply going to pick this. ये है ना children's books than engineering drawings. इसको check करना है. Why? Because this is easier to verify than this one. Number 2. Have less in common with children's books than engineering drawings. I'll take you here. चलो. यहाँ पे. Children's books or cartoons, I'll set my range. Although at initial observation we may be captivated by the striking artwork and we may tend to connect this with children's books or cartoons, graphic novels have significantly more in common with visual design and engineering drawing. Right? At first glance हमें लगता है initial observation पे अच्छा striking artwork with children's books, but they have more in common with this. अब ये तो दे रखा है इसने. Have less in common with children's books than this. This is true. So this is my answer. Hope you got it. Have progressions in some cases that are challenging to comprehend. Progressions, okay? Linear progression. Feasible. भाई उसने बोला है these progressions would be unfeasible to convert into text. That doesn't mean they are difficult to comprehend. You get it? Challenging to comprehend. So this is your answer. Hope all the explanations are clear, my dear guys. Thank you so much for being there with me. And maybe you can just rerun this and watch the elimination once again. Remember, with the help of these sessions, we are trying to lay the foundation, like just the bricks for your RCs. The more you work on these, the better you will be when it comes to speed. Keep learning. Thank you.